Welcome back. I'm Dr. Irfana Patil from Forever Young Skin Clinic, Kolhapur, and today I am going to talk about Botox treatments. So, basically, what exactly is Botox and why do we inject Botox? What are the indications for Botox? Botox is a very commonly done anti-aging procedure to treat the dynamic lines or the wrinkles which appear on our face because of the muscle contraction of the facial muscles. So as we give expressions, as we smile, we get angry, so the facial muscles contract, and because of the muscle contraction, certain lines appear on our faces. And these lines are dynamic lines initially, which can convert into permanent lines later. So Botox takes care of the dynamic lines which appear on the face after facial expressions. Botox is basically a purified protein which is derived from a bacteria called as Clostridium botulinum. And basically how it acts is it goes and attaches to the neuromuscular junction and relaxes the muscle, thereby relaxing the dynamic lines. So what are the indications for injecting Botox? So what all areas of the face we can inject Botox to take care of the dynamic lines? So we can inject Botox for the forehead lines, we can inject for the glabellar complex or the frown lines, we inject for the crow's feet. Botox can also be injected for gummy smile, dimply chin and bunny nose also. So even people who have a very bulky face and a bulky masseter because of repeated chewing, so to slim down their face, we also inject Botox for this condition. It gives very good results. So now let us talk about the procedure as well. So what are the precautions we need to take care of while doing Botox, and what are the post-procedure care you need to take? Botox was initially used to treat muscle spasm, but its anti-wrinkle effect was accidentally discovered, and from then on it is used for aesthetic purposes. The use of Botox is US FDA approved for age between 18 to 65 years. So, if you are suffering from any kind of peripheral neuropathy or myasthenia gravis or such kind of disorders, or if you are allergic to any of those components of botulinum toxin, then Botox injections are contraindicated in such cases. So Botox is a relatively painless procedure. Normally a topical anesthetic cream is applied and then the Botox injections are given, and there are some post procedure care which you need to follow. when you have got your Botox injected, so avoid bending down, avoid lifting heavy weights, avoid heavy exercise, sweating, hot showers, sun exposure. Do not rub or massage that area for 2 or 3 days. Also, avoid heavy makeup. Apply a lot of ice packs for soothing action. Also, you must avoid green tea, avoid antioxidants because it increases the chances of bruising. It's also important to avoid alcohol intake for next 2 to 3 days of injecting Botox. So the action of Botox begins in 24 to 72 hours and the full effect is seen on 14th or 15th day. The Botox action lasts for 6 to 8 months and then you can have a touch up then. So Botox is going to work only for your dynamic lines. It is not going to work for your permanent wrinkles or the permanent lines. There you need to inject fillers. So over a period of time, when you get repeated Botox injection, it works very well for your anti-aging because slowly the muscle contraction is reduced and the muscle stays relaxed, and also the line formation, the dynamic line formation going into permanent line formation is also prevented, and hence it's a very good anti-aging treatment. Remember, take treatment only from a board certified dermatologist who is well trained in injecting Botox. I hope this information you found it useful. If so, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.